In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Wix website to start over. Whether you're looking to completely revamp your online presence or you've simply outgrown your current design, it's important to know how to start fresh with your website. While Wix doesn't offer a single-click reset button, there are several options available to achieve a clean slate, depending on what you need. To begin, you'll want to go to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, giving you full access to customize and modify your site as needed. Now that you're in the editor, it's important to understand that while there's no straightforward reset option, you can still start over smoothly by choosing one of three available strategies. Your first option is to create a brand new blank site. This approach is perfect if you want total freedom to build from scratch or if a fresh beginning is more appealing to you. Begin by clicking on Create New Site. Here, Wix gives you the option to start from scratch, allowing you the flexibility to design completely as you imagine. Alternatively, you can choose a blank template, providing a base framework without any preset content, so you have total control over every element you add. Now, if you're keen on retaining your current site's basic structure, but want to clear out all its content, option number 2 is ideal. You can reset your current site by systematically removing each section or element. To do this, select the specific section or element you want to remove, then either press the delete key or right-click and choose delete from the context menu. Continue this process until your entire page is blank. This method ensures you maintain the core framework and settings of your existing site, sparing you from potential reconfigurations that starting entirely anew might require. Lastly, for those of you who are ready to take a more decisive step, option 3 involves deleting the old site completely. To pursue this path, head over to your Wix dashboard. Once there, click the 3 dots next to your site's name. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to scroll down and select Move Site to Trash. By doing this, you remove the site from your list, allowing you to start over with an entirely new design and concept, free from previous constraints or clutter. As you decide which option fits your needs best, keep in mind the end goal of your website. Whether you choose to start from scratch, reset existing content, or delete the site entirely, these methods grant you control and creative freedom to suit your vision. Good luck and happy designing.